Text analytics. Reinforcement learning, analyzing power, and text learning explained. Written by David Feldspar. Narrated by Jason R. Gray.
Text analytics. Practical steps to sort data. Written by David Feldspar. Narrated by Jason R. Gray. Introduction. Text analytics is the process of drawing meaning out of written communication. In a customer experience context, text analytics means examining text that was written by or about customers. You find patterns and topics of interest and then take practical action based on what you learn. Text analytics can be performed manually, but it is an inefficient process. Therefore, text analytics software has been created that uses text mining and natural language processing algorithms to find meaning in huge amounts of text. Why do you need text analytics? Emails, online reviews, tweets, call center agent notes, survey results, and other types of written feedback all hold insight into your customers. There is also a wealth of information on recorded interactions that can easily be turned into text. Text analytics is the way to unlock the meaning from all of this unstructured text. It lets you uncover patterns and themes so you know what customers are thinking about. It reveals their wants and needs. In addition, text analytics software can provide an early warning of trouble because it shows what customers are complaining about. Using text analytics tools gives you valuable information from data that isn't easily quantified in any other way. It turns the unstructured thoughts of customers into structured data that can be used by the business. Sentiment analysis. Speaking of feeling, our sentiment analysis feature will show you exactly how consumers feel about their subject of discussion. Our sentiment analysis is the most powerful, accurate, and reliable in the business. Beyond telling you whether a given document of text is positive, negative, or neutral, we assign a specific score to show you just how strong that sentiment is. What's more, we attach sentiment scores to entities, themes, facets, in addition to showing a general document sentiment score. This multi-level analysis can be configured and optimized to match your individual needs. Factor analysis. What is factor analysis? Factor analysis is a way to take a mass of data and shrinking it to a smaller set of data that is more manageable and more understandable. It's a way to find hidden patterns, show how those patterns overlap, and show what characteristics are seen in multiple patterns. It is also used to create a set of variables for similar items in the set. These sets of variables are called dimensions. It can be a very useful tool for complex sets of data involving psychological studies, socioeconomic status, and other involved concepts. A factor is a set of observed variables that have similar response patterns. They are associated with a hidden variable, called a confounding variable, that isn't directly measured. Factors are listed according to factor loadings, or how much variation in the data they can explain. The two types, exploratory and confirmatory. Exploratory factor analysis is if you don't have any idea about what structure your data is, or how many dimensions are in a set of variables. Is used for verification as long as you have a specific idea about what structure your data is, or how many dimensions are in a set of variables. Factor loadings. Not all factors are created equal. Some factors have more weight than others. In a simple example, imagine your bank conducts a phone survey for customer satisfaction, and the results show the following factor loadings. Multiple factor analysis. This subset of factor analysis is used when your variables are structured in variable groups. For example, you might have a student health questionnaire with several items like sleep patterns, addictions, psychological health, or learning disabilities. The two steps performed in multiple factor analysis are principal component
Sample complete. Ready to continue?